Hey loves, it's Brianna K. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a bunch of things I'm running around to do today, so this is going to be a get it all done, a day in the life vlog, cleaning motivation, all of those things. I am putting on my socks and shoes right now to go to Landon's basketball game this afternoon. The kids are with their dad for the weekend, so that's why I can kind of do a bunch of running around, and I wanted to go and get the stuff for their Easter baskets today just so that I can knock that out and not have to worry about it, because I feel like it is going to be spring break next week. So going to be home with me for a few days, and then I have a trip to Miami, and then when I get back I feel like it's just going to be craziness because there's a daddy-daughter dance the one night. There is then Landon's birthday is Easter weekend. It's actually on Easter. And we just figured out what we're gonna do for his party. He wants to have all the guys go to Top Golf, which I feel like is really cute and fun. But yeah, so I'm getting my shoes on, running to his game, and then run out to the stores and see if I can find anything good for their Easter baskets. All right, outfit of the day, let's go.
Hey. Show me the funny face. Show me.
Who is that?
Why do cats on my tail? Why do the cats on my tail?
Thank you to Gem for sponsoring today's video. Gem is a nutrient-rich multivitamin. It is made with real foods. You can look right on the back of their label. It is filled with different vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, probiotics, prebiotics. I'll show you what it looks like. It truly is just this little nutrient-dense square. It has a citrus ginger flavor. It's really good. It's got a cozy, zesty spice to it. But you guys know, I'm a single mom of 3. It is so important that I take care of myself, make sure that I have enough energy so that I can take care of my babies and my home and my business and all of the things. That's where I really rely on Gem, because it supports your mood, it supports your immunity. I have not gotten sick, and I swear I owe it all to Gem. It's just been so helpful, again, as a single mom. But it's got everything in it so that you have healthy skin, healthy hair, and all the energy that you need to tackle your day. I swear that's part of the reason when everybody's like, why do you have so much energy? How can you be cleaning and doing all these things all the time? I think it's because it all starts with Gem. But I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen, as well as a link down in my description box below. And if you use my code Brianna30, you'll get a special discount when you check out. And just thank you again to Gem for making me feel healthy and energized every single day, and for sponsoring today's video. I just got to my waxing appointment because of Miami too. I was like, I'm gonna be in a bikini, I should probably go get a wax. So I always forget though. They say every time to take Advil before you come, and I forgot, so I'm just gonna have to take some as soon as I get home. But I should have done that beforehand, so reminder, if you're going to get a wax, take some Advil beforehand. I feel like whenever you go get a wax, because obviously it's a very personal area, you just start spilling all your plans. I'm going to Miami. It's basically like talking to Ashley. You go to your hairdresser, you just tell all of your life business, and that's what we just talked about.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you.
All right, I know every year you guys love when I do like a what's in my kids' Easter basket haul, and this is actually something I'm doing, I feel like, much earlier than I even normally do it. I don't know. I feel like there's still 20 days till Easter when I'm filming this about. What I always do for my kids' Easter baskets, which, by the way, like, this is the best investment I feel like ever. I've used Landon. It's now going on 10 years. These Pottery Barn Easter baskets, like, each of them have their own. I got the large basket, and then this is the little liner, and each one's personalized, like, with their names on it. But, you know, when they were born, that's kind of like their first Easter. I would just get them their basket and their liner. And I think they're just so cute. So I feel like they can have them their whole life, because I still remember even when my ex and I got married, his mom gave me his Easter basket that he used like his whole life. And I thought that was so cute that he had like the same one every single year. And so that's why I was like, I don't mind investing in something that's a little higher quality. So I'll link them because I know they have them every year and have like different, you know, liners and stuff like that too if you want to like change it up. But I love these. But the other thing I do every year for their Easter baskets that's become kind of like the tradition is I always get them bathing suits for summer. So I got Hayden this cutie one with a little matching then like polo cover up top. I just thought that was like so cute together. And I'm like fold everything up. I still, one thing I forgot to get though was grass to like, you know, puff everything up. So it kind of looks like a little not full right now, but I think this is honestly plenty. Like I just realized like when you give too much candy, I feel like this is still even too much candy. It's just too much. So whatever, they get to go to town a little bit. But I got him the yellow peeps. I got the little Reese's carrot. I got a cheese ball carrot. I thought that was so cute too. A little chocolate bunny. I got little bunny cookie, the Reese's eggs, and then one of the marshmallow eggs. So that's kind of the sweet treats. And I got a couple more things that I'm going to divide these between all the baskets into. They had this like bunny bait trail mix, and they had, these are called like carrot patch, like chocolate covered pretzel rods. And then I got these like fruit snacks that are spring Easter themed. So I'll divide those up and put them in their baskets too. But I forgot to get the grass for them. And then here I'll show you. Landon's has all the same like candy treats as Hayden, except he just has the blue peeps. And then I ended up getting them matching bathing suits because it's crazy now. Like Hayden's finally in a size like 4 or 5. So he's in the boys section now. So same trunks. And then Landon, you know, same top. I loved that though. Tarjay for the win. And then Presley's. I feel like girls are always so much easier to just like shop for stuff too. But she has all the same exact pleats except the pink peeps. And then this was her suit that I thought was so cute. I'm sure she'll be rocking this in Hawaii. And I got this little cover up then for with it. I thought that was cute. And I thought it looked good with them like the boys too. You know what I mean? They're kind of all more neutral, muted. But then they had these, and I looked at the boys section for pajamas and I didn't see any pajamas there that I really liked for them. So I'll probably order them some on Amazon because I thought these were such a cute little summer set that they had at Target too for Peanut. And then I got her they have these over there too. I was just like seeing all these cute little leopard things. So the little like leopard sports bra set. The other one's just like a mauve color, but I love that. So that's what I've gotten so far. Again, for the boys, I'm gonna probably order pajamas for them from like Amazon or something like that, or just see if I see any others at like Walmart or whoever when I'm out and about running around. And then I did want to get each of them, I think, a pair of either flip-flops or Crocs, something that they could be wearing all around Hawaii and to the beach and stuff like that, since we're going to be going in like 2 months. I'm so excited. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for the baskets, unless I happen to see anything else when I'm out and about. But at least it's crossed off the list, so I don't have to worry about it this year. But that weekend's just going to be so busy because it's going to be Landon's birthday party, and then just all of like the family Easter celebrations, and his birthday's on actual Easter. So then I feel like what I want to do with him is I'm going to be like, buddy, can we just pick a different day to make it be like your birthday? Because I feel like it's going to take away from his birthday a little bit, to like everybody's going to be getting an Easter basket and the family's going to be wanting to do, Easter celebrations, and I still want him to feel more special. So I'm probably going to make sure he gets a separate day where we'll like go out to a birthday dinner and all that kind of stuff. Maybe like before his birthday actually, so it's like kind of done, like he'll get his presents and his birthday dinner. I don't know, does that sound like the right thing to do? Or what would you do? Let me know. All right, I have some towels to fold, and I'm trying so hard to get through all of the laundry so that I'm not doing any last minute laundry before this Miami trip that I have coming up, so that I have everything washed for packing, so I know exactly what I have, what I still need. I am excited though, because I get the kids on not my like normal schedule this week because it's their spring break. So I was thinking about doing some staycation activities with them, since I didn't get to take them anywhere this year. That's just kind of how our agreement works, is like we switch off the spring break every year. And I didn't know if Adam was gonna like want to take them somewhere, but he said he's just working. So I was like, well, what are the kids gonna do, So I was like, I will take them, since, you guys know, I kind of just stay up late working or work as much as I can on the like weekends and days when I don't have them, when I don't have other stuff going on. Because obviously I still like try to use that time to like make plans with my friends and go on dates if that's happening. But yeah, so I was thinking for them, since I didn't get to take them anywhere, I really wish I could have taken them somewhere with how crappy the weather has been. I think they could have used some sunshine too, but at least I'll get that in Hawaii in a couple months. But around here for like the staycation activities, I was thinking of taking them to the Rock Hall. Just because we all love music so much as a family, and it's right here in Cleveland. And I think that the last time I went is when Lana was a baby, so he definitely wouldn't remember it. So I was thinking of doing that with them, going to the West Side Market, just because I was like going there because they have so many different just local business stands from everything. You can get meats, you can get cheeses, you can get olives, you can get desserts, you can really, there's like pastas and bakery, and oh my gosh, it's so cool when you walk in there too. It's just like a really cool building. But yeah, I was thinking of taking them to go do that. I wish the weather was nicer, because then I would be taking them outside to like parks and the beaches and doing bike rides, but I just don't think it's gonna work out for us, unfortunately, with how the weather is looking right now in the forecast. But bummer. Another reason why we miss Hawaii so much, but at least we'll be back in 2 months, and that'll be so fun. I cannot wait for that. Oh, like seriously, I feel like that is what I live for, work for at this point, is for that month we get to go back to Hawaii. It's like everything to me. So.